Welcome to Beautyistic. In today's review, we're diving into the 30-inch deep wave lace front wig made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. If you're on the lookout for a natural, full-bodied wig with a gorgeous deep wave pattern, this might be the one for you. But let's break it down and see if it truly lives up to the expectations. This wig is crafted with 13x6 HD lace that promises to blend seamlessly into your skin, providing a more invisible hairline. The hair is 200% density, meaning it's thick, voluminous, and full of life. The cap size is adjustable, ranging from 21.5 to 22.5 inches, and it comes with 8 combs and adjustable straps, so you can tailor the fit to your head for maximum comfort. The deep wave curls are soft, shiny, and retain their shape well after styling. Now, how does it perform in real-life use? I found that setting up this wig was pretty straightforward. The adjustable straps and combs make it easy to secure, even for beginners. I was able to style it without much hassle. The HD lace blends nicely into my scalp, and I could easily part the hair in the middle or to the side. I also tried a high ponytail, and the wig stayed secure, giving a natural, voluminous look. As for the texture, the curls are soft and bouncy, but they can be a bit delicate. With proper care, such as deep conditioning and regular cleaning, you can keep the hair looking fresh and defined. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, this wig offers great density and volume, perfect for those who love a full, thick look. The deep wave pattern is striking and gives the hair a natural, flowy appearance. The lace is breathable and blends effortlessly with the scalp. On the downside, like many deep wave wigs, it does require maintenance to keep the curls defined. It's also a bit more high maintenance than a straighter wig, so be prepared to regularly refresh it with mousse or deep conditioning. In terms of value for money, considering the 200% density and quality of the Brazilian virgin human hair, this wig is priced fairly for what it offers. However, if you're looking for something with less upkeep, there are alternatives out there that may suit your needs better, but they won't quite match the same level of thickness or natural curl pattern. If we compare it to other wigs in the market, the quality of this wig stands out, especially in terms of the lace and the density. However, some other wigs in this price range might offer lower maintenance, especially if they come with preset styles that don't require as much styling or upkeep. The build quality is solid. The hair feels smooth, and the lace is soft and breathable, making it a comfortable wear. It holds up well when treated correctly, but if you're rough with it, expect some frizz and tangling, so care is essential. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out during my time testing the wig, but the brand generally has a good reputation for responding quickly to inquiries and providing solid aftercare instructions. So what's the final verdict? If you're someone who loves deep wave curls, this wig is definitely worth considering. It's thick, full, and offers a lot of versatility in styling. However, if you're not keen on regular maintenance, there might be easier options for you out there. If this review helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other wig enthusiasts can find this review as well. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the comments box for a link to grab this wig if you're interested. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried this wig or have any questions. Goodbye for now, and as always, keep it beautyistic, because every good hair day starts with the right wig.